Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose, and if you ever saw him, you would even say it glowed. Then all the other reindeer used to laugh and call him names. They never let poor Rudolph join in any reindeer games. Then one foggy Christmas Eve, Santa came to say, Rudolph, with your nose so bright, want my guide to sleigh this night. Then how the reindeer loved him as they shouted out with glee, Hee hee, Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer, you go down in history. Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose, and if you ever saw